All right. Hey, what was you just saying right now, Ant?
What? That Leon smells like shit?
Nah, you said something else earlier.
I forgot.
Yo, if you got, see, y'all niggas freeze up on the camera, my boy. Straight up. Damn, this is beautiful. Oh my, Leo, hey Leo look bomb. No homo. But only because you can't see his face. Okay. All right. So look, I got my new camera. We out here. The quality finna go up. My boy put in test pipe. Wow. Yeah. Stop playing. Look. Oh, it's not. Wait.
Oh, new phone. Who this?
Oh, he got a new phone too. Look. It's focusing. Look. Oh my. Look at that. Oh my God. But look, he got a phone. He upgraded. Hey, it's clear. Why you didn't get the big one though?
Because why spend money on the phone when I can spend that money in my car?
Jeez. Everybody cashing out union bands or what? Playing with chairs. Look, he is doing test pipes on his brand new car.
I have a rod knock.
Yeah, I leave and come back and he has rod knock. That's crazy. I haven't even heard the rod knock, but I guess he does. Test pipes. Test pipes. Okay. Test pipes. Yeah. I don't know why he's posing like he's a superhero. Hey, y'all want to tell the people what y'all doing down there?
Yeah, we're just taking these rusty ass bolts right here.
Hey, my friend.
Don't drop my camera, I'll sock you.
These rusty ass bolts that we never took off. Car was completely stuck. We slammed it. Scratched everything, you know. It's formal with function.
They tossed me the keys to the Supra. He said Christmas tree? You know who you talking about? My dashboard is worse than this. Oh yeah. Oh. I feel like I already hear the spaceship. Ugh. I never felt that before.
You never driven this?
I never drove it in the fast way though. Why it don't make noise? Leave my seatbelt on. Oh wow. I want to put my seatbelt on. Where the seatbelt? Hey, y'all felt that? It lost traction. Yeah, I need this. Straight trade on for the Z. Hey, this place is famous. Juju Smith comes here.
You can't see yourself.
Jeez.
Ken didn't make no sense. I feel that
Ken has nothing to do with it.
You're lying. You're a liar. That's why you're supposed to take them off when it's on the car. It's easier.
I already took it off.
Okay, well.
I already took it off.
For what, Ken?
Okay, I know, but I'm just saying it's just easier when it's on the car.
Watch out.
Okay, they took off the cats. After 3 years later, as you can see, it's dark outside. You can't even see them. Can you see them?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Started like that.
Oh, you could kind of see them, but you can't see them. Oh, you can't even. It literally sounds just like my car. That's stinky. That's stinky. Ooh, that's stinky. Ooh, stinky.
Marvin.
actually looks real on camera.